In our fast-paced world, many people rely on convenience foods, including those that have been cooked for extended periods. However, scientific discoveries have raised concerns about the health implications of consuming food that has been cooked for more than 4 hours. Here, we explore several reasons why this practice may not be beneficial for your health. 1. Nutrient degradation. One significant concern with long-cooked foods is the degradation of nutrients. Cooking food for extended periods can lead to a loss of essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, water-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin C and certain B vitamins, are particularly sensitive to prolonged heat. Research indicates that cooking vegetables for too long can decrease their nutrient content by up to 50%. This nutrient loss means that the food may not provide the intended health benefits, leading to potential deficiencies over time. 2. Increase in harmful compounds. Another issue with cooking food for too long is the potential formation of harmful compounds. When food is subjected to high temperatures for extended periods, it can produce compounds like acrylamide, particularly in starchy foods. Acrylamide has been classified as a potential carcinogen, raising concerns about its long-term health effects. Additionally, cooking proteins for too long can result in the formation of advanced glycation end products AGEs, which have been linked to inflammation and chronic diseases. 3. Risk of bacterial growth. While cooking food for a long time can kill many harmful bacteria, improper storage or reheating can lead to food safety issues. If food is cooked and then left at room temperature for too long, it can become a breeding ground for bacteria, even if the food is reheated. Some bacteria produce toxins that are not destroyed by heat. Consuming these contaminated foods can lead to foodborne illnesses, which can cause symptoms ranging from nausea and vomiting to severe gastrointestinal distress. 4. Changes in texture and flavor. Extended cooking times can also adversely affect the texture and flavor of food. Foods that are overcooked may become mushy or unappetizing, leading to a less enjoyable eating experience. This can result in reduced food intake, depriving the body of necessary nutrients and energy. 5. Altered digestive response. Finally, consuming very soft or overly cooked foods can alter the digestive response. The body may have to work harder to break down these foods, leading to digestive discomfort. Additionally, some long-cooked foods may lack the fiber content found in fresher options, which is essential for healthy digestion. Conclusion. While there may be instances when cooking food for extended periods is necessary, it's essential to be aware of the potential health risks associated with consuming such food, from nutrient degradation and the formation of harmful compounds to food safety concerns and altered digestive responses. The drawbacks can significantly impact overall health. For optimal nutrition and well-being, it's advisable to prepare and consume food that has been cooked for shorter periods while ensuring proper food safety practices.